Walking by the Yallahs pond, blue skies all around. History in the air we breathe, in St. Thomas ground. I lead Jamaica's here with you, Alex shows the way. Stories from the days gone by, old meets new today. Come along with me, feel the island breeze, discover St. Thomas, where history never leaves.
Have you ever heard about the Yallahs ponds in St. Thomas, Jamaica? If you haven't, then you don't want to miss this video. For those familiar with the ponds, how many of the stories have you heard, and which one do you believe? Let me know in the comment section down below. St. Thomas, Jamaica, is a place where the natural world intertwines seamlessly with a rich tapestry of history, culture, and folklore. Nestled in the southeastern corner of the island, this parish is a treasure trove of stories, where every hill and valley whispers the tales of the past. From the mesmerizing vistas of its mountains to the soothing waves of its beaches, St. Thomas holds within its borders a unique blend of natural beauty and historical significance. But no story of St. Thomas is complete without delving into its myths and mysteries, and none is more fascinating than the tale of the Yallahs ponds. These ponds, steeped in legends of love, betrayal, and supernatural forces, have captured the imaginations of locals and visitors alike. However, before we dive into the enigmatic story of Yallahs ponds, let's take a moment to explore the stunning historical sites of St. Thomas. After all, a video about St. Thomas wouldn't be complete without a tour of its most captivating landmarks. So let's embark on this journey through the parish, discovering the historical gems and the natural wonders that make St. Thomas a place of endless fascination. It is only fitting to showcase the beauty and history of this remarkable parish before unraveling one of its most intriguing legends. Named after Thomas the Apostle, St. Thomas is truly a nature lover's paradise. This lush parish is adorned with verdant vegetation, pristine beaches, swamps, morasses, rivers, and waterfalls. The cloud-shrouded mountain ranges, including sections of the famous Blue Mountains, offer hiking trails that challenge and reward adventurers. Among its many natural wonders is the therapeutic Bath Fountain, known for its healing mineral waters, and the nearby Bath Botanical Garden, the second oldest in the Western Hemisphere, which offers a serene escape into nature's embrace. As we venture further into the parish, in the quiet community of Hillside, lies one of the most popular attractions in Jamaica, Reggae Falls. This majestic waterfall is not only a sight to behold, but also a place of tranquility. The thundering waters create a powerful yet soothing ambience, offering a blissful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The falls, though fairly new, has become one of the most well-known falls on the island. This waterfall has a charm that resonates with those who seek the road less traveled. Grandpa Falls, another hidden gem, adds to the allure of St. Thomas. Tucked away in the rural community of Trinityville, my community, this waterfall remains largely undiscovered by the masses, providing a serene and untouched experience for those who venture to find it. The falls are right next to the river. Although man-made, this falls makes the perfect spot for nature enthusiasts and those looking to connect with the raw beauty of Jamaica. White Horses, a community with a name as magical as its reality, may not have actual white horses roaming its fields, but the sight of the sea's white waves galloping towards the shore is a spectacle in itself. These white horses of the sea inspired the name and continue to mesmerize all who witness them. Nearby, the striking white cliffs invite photographers and sightseers alike. These natural formations, set against the backdrop of the blue Caribbean Sea, provide a dramatic and picturesque view that is nothing short of breathtaking. Another must-visit spot is the Morant Point Lighthouse, Jamaica's easternmost point. The lighthouse, standing tall at the edge of a pristine pinkish sand beach, offers panoramic views of the ocean. However, the road to this historic site runs through private property, making it a bit of an adventure to reach. I'm a search for it, and trust me peeps, it wasn't a normal search to find this. What are your names?
Jada, my name now.
Jada, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, lighthouse. So the building over there, son, that was the original building, like the one going for a while.
Yeah, and they said one of the that one burn it get burned down.
Oh,
Yeah. Fire, yeah.
Okay. It's amazing to how things that are close to water always get burned up. Because we got St. Mary the other day, and the courthouse in St. Mary, you know, so fire burned it down. The fire station right almost next door.
Know that. So we just make one inside, but we don't know the running there, the patch up. I have to know what kind of media you are going to make a one picture, what kind of media you are going to do.
A little bit, anything.
Alright,
As you know, guys, it's an educational video.
when you go for the top,
Yeah.
you can take a balcony, you can walk and come out.
Guys, this is
Yeah.
piece of our history, guys. Important piece of our history. This, when you know the free eyes, right now, who's scared? Me? I'm not scared of anyone. I mean, friend, let me see it for you. Okay, so people come in. Yeah, guys, so that obviously is the center, the battery that works the light on the lighthouse. And that's the step that we just came up. Alright, I'm wipe out the camera, peeps. Alright, guys, so yeah, that's the battery over there. That's the battery over there, guys. Alright, so the step there. And yeah, I'm gonna go up some more step. Yeah, peeps. Nico, come up, Nico, afraid of heights. Yeah, guys, so go up again. Up again, guys. Guys, I'm afraid, like, I feel like the lighthouse a shake, peeps. I'm go up and see from the top floor, this, guys. I'm afraid right now, I swear. And I know I'm afraid of heights, that's what I said. But I'm not to go up there, sir. For those seeking a more accessible beach experience, License Beach, located on the outskirts of Morant Bay, provides a beautiful alternative. Recently rehabilitated and managed by a tourism agency, this beach is a perfect spot for relaxation and enjoyment. And guess what? It's free, you can go over there, is it? License also carries its own historical significance. Named after Nicholas License, a 17th century plantation owner and member of the Jamaica Assembly. On a mound overlooking the beach, you will find a small yet significant cemetery. Here lie the remains of Alton Hope Phillips, a former custos of the parish, his wife, Phyllis Josephine, J.H. Phillips, another former custos and member of the Legislative Council, and the renowned Simon Taylor and his brother, John Taylor. Originally interred at Vale Royal, formerly Prospect Pen Estate in St. Andrew, Simon and John Taylor bodies were exhumed and reburied at license when the property changed hands. Simon Taylor, alright? So that's who we're looking for. This is to the memory of Honorable J.H. Phillips, Honorable J.H. Phillips, Member Legislative Council 1918 to 1929, and the Custos Rotoloron for the parish of St. Thomas, born 31st of July 1360, died 25th of April 1933. Alright, so this guys is J.H. Phillips, and we see out there it's Phillips Avenue. Alright, so we'll move on to the next one. This says in memory of Honorable Alton Hope Phillips, Custos, parish of St. Thomas, born 1963 to 1974. Moving on, guys. This is really a rather huge find, guys. Alright, so this in loving memory of Phyllis Josephine, wife of the Honorable H. Phillips Custos of the parish of St. Thomas. Okay, she died in 1968. Let's look at this other one over here, guys. This says in loving memory of Jessie, wife of the Honorable J.H. Phillips, died 10th of September 1922. Alright, guys, so we got the Phillips over here, and now we've got the loving memory of our beloved mother Charles Hope Levi, our beloved brother Charles Hope Levi, died on 29th of January 1927, age 70. Alright, guys, so this is the cemetery. Now we'll check out that grave over here, so guys, where we actually pass it. Alright, so this here lie the remains of the Honorable Simon Taylor, guys. This is the grave of Simon Taylor, guys. A loyal subject, a firm friend, and a honest man. Back in Morant Bay, the capital of St. Thomas, stands the St. Thomas Parish Church, a symbol of resilience and history. Embedded in its eastern wall is a brick bearing the year 1865, a poignant reminder of the Morant Bay Uprising, a significant event in Jamaica's struggle for social justice. The church, with its weathered walls, stands as a silent witness to the flames that once engulfed the courthouse and other buildings during the rebellion led by Paul Bogle and his followers. Historical ruins of St. Thomas. There is also a set of ruins at the back of the courthouse, which is the 1865 Memorial Gardens, established on the ruins of the Morant Bay Fort, which was built around 1758 to accommodate 9 mounted guns. That fort was one of many, including Fort Lindsay, extensively repaired in 1790 and was placed on the island's list of forts in 1799, and Fort William, built around 1675 to defend the harbour at Port Morant. These forts were constructed in St. Thomas to protect the island from possible invasions from the French. Now, St. Thomas is dotted with historical ruins that tell tales of Jamaica's colonial past. Among these are the ruins of the Stokes Great House, a grand mansion once belonging to the Stokes family. The story of the Stokes family begins shortly after the British invasion of Jamaica in 1655, when Oliver Cromwell invited settlers to the newly conquered island. Bernard Baker, originally from Nevis, was the first to accept the offer, bringing his family to Jamaica in October 1656. He later encouraged Luke Stokes, then governor of Nevis, to join him. The Stokes family established the Stokesfield and the Stokesall estates in the Port Morant area, but the mansion was severely damaged in the 1907 earthquake, leaving behind hauntingly beautiful ruins. The parish is also home to several other historical sites, such as Stony Gut, the birthplace of national hero Paul Bogle, and Orange Park, a coffee plantation great house that now serves as a museum. The area around Old Pira, once a bustling town and now a quiet fishing village, holds the remnants of the former Bowden Wharf, a key shipping point during the height of the sugar trade. Venturing further into the mountains, the Kuna Kuna Pass and the Cornpus Gap offers challenging yet rewarding hiking experiences, where history and nature intertwine. These trails were once used by the Maroons, the island's escaped slaves who created their own free communities in the mountains, and they remain parts of both historical significance and natural beauty. As for the Three Finger Jack Monument, its legacy still lingers in the minds of many. The monument commemorates Jack Mansong, a notorious escaped slave and legendary figure who was said to have terrorized the region with his band of followers. Though the monument itself may have faded into obscurity, the story of Three Finger Jack remains an integral part of St. Thomas' rich tapestry of history. St. Thomas is more than just a destination. It's a journey through time, nature, and culture. So whether you are exploring its untouched natural beauty or delving into its storied past, this parish offers a unique and unforgettable experience that captivates the imagination and stirs the soul. Now, let us explore the myths of the Yallahs Pond, rich with the emotions of love, betrayal, and supernatural wrath. And then we will peel back the layers to reveal the true story behind the Yallahs Pond. The myths. Number 1. The Tale of the Brothers. Now picture a time long ago, when the land around Yallahs was lush and bountiful, passed down through generations as a precious gift. Two brothers, proud and stubborn, inherited this land upon their father's passing. But rather than seeing it as a blessing, they saw it as a battleground. Greed gnawed at their hearts, and what began as a mere disagreement over boundaries quickly escalated into a bitter feud. Day and night, their voices echoed across the hills, filled with venomous accusations and threats. The land, once fertile and green, seemed to shrink beneath the weight of their hatred. Then one fateful evening, as the brothers' quarrel reached a fever pitch, the earth itself shuddered, as if in agony. The ground beneath them gave way, swallowing their fields, their dreams, and their legacy. The once rich soil was replaced by a pond, its waters stained dark brown, as if to forever mark the greed that tore their family apart. To this day, locals say that when the wind blows just right, you can hear the brothers' angry shouts carried on the breeze, a reminder of the land lost to their endless strife. Number 2. The Lover's Tragedy. Now, let us turn to a tale of love, forbidden and doomed from the start. In a time when the Yallahs region was ruled by two powerful families, a young man and woman, heirs to these rival dynasties, found themselves drawn to each other. Their love was pure, but it was also dangerous, for their families harbored an ancient grudge. Under the cover of darkness, the lovers would meet by a small secluded pond, far from the watchful eyes of their kin. But secrets like theirs have a way of coming to light. One night, as they whispered sweet promises by the water's edge, they were discovered. The wrath of their families was swift and merciless. A battle erupted, not just of swords, but of spiteful words and deadly curses. The pond, once a sanctuary, became the epicenter of their rage. As blood was shed, the earth trembled and split, the tranquil waters swelling to consume the land around them. The lovers too were lost to the depths, their souls entwined forever in the brown waters of Yallahs Pond. Locals say that on moonlit nights, you can still see their ghostly figures near the pond. Forever searching for a peace they were denied in life. Number 3. The Curse of the Shaman. Our final tale is one of divine retribution, a story that begins with the people of Yallahs living in harmony with the land, under the watchful eye of a powerful shaman. The shaman, a guardian of nature's balance, ensured that the land was respected, its resources shared fairly among the people. But as time passed, the villagers grew complacent. They took more than they needed, desecrating sacred grounds and draining the life from the land. Angered by their greed and neglect, the shaman issued a dire warning: return to the old ways, or the land will rise against you. His words, however, fell on deaf ears. In a final act of desperation, the shaman called upon the spirits of the earth and water. The ground quaked, the skies darkened, and with a thunderous roar, the land began to sink. What was once fertile ground became the Yallahs Pond, its salt waters a lasting scar upon the earth, a testament to the shaman's curse. Well, I've never heard this one before doing the research for this video, so if anyone has ever heard this myth before about the Yallahs Pond, let me know in the comment section down below. Now, let us try to debunk these myths. Debunking the myths. As mesmerizing as these stories are, the true story of Yallahs Pond is just as compelling, rooted in the powerful natural forces that have shaped Jamaica's landscape over a millennium. Geological formation. Contrary to the tales of curses and battles, Yallahs Pond was formed through a series of natural events. The area around Yallahs is geologically active, with shifting tectonic plates that have caused the land to sink gradually over time. Combined with coastal erosion and the occasional storm surge, what was once dry land slowly transformed into a pond. Salinity explained. The unusual salinity of Yallahs Pond can be traced to its unique geographical features. The pond is situated near the coast, where underground saline springs seep into the water, mixing with the fresh water that feeds into the pond. Over time, the balance of salt and fresh water tipped, especially during periods of drought when freshwater sources dwindled. The result is a pond with a salinity level much higher than typical freshwater bodies, and even salter than the ocean nearby, creating a unique ecosystem that has fascinated scientists and locals alike. Far from being cursed, Yallahs Pond is a natural wonder, a product of the intricate dance between land, water, and time. So Yallahs Pond is a place where myth and reality converge, where the stories of the past meet the science of the present. The myths remind us of the cultural richness and the deep connection people feel to the land, while the true story offers a window into the natural forces that continue to shape our world. So whether you are drawn to the haunting legends or the fascinating geology, Yallahs Pond is a place of mystery and beauty, deserving of the reverence it has inspired for generations. If you found this video interesting or informative, or if you learned anything from this video, please let me know in the comment section down below. Also give the video a thumbs up, please, that really helps the channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed to Elite Jamaica, consider doing so by clicking the subscribe button. That's the subscribe button in white right above the video or below the video. Yeah, and when you do that, you're gonna see the bell icon. Click that to turn on notifications so that whenever time I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Because me realize me have over 150,000 subscribers, but only like 6,000 people I get notification whenever time I upload a new video. So if you're hearing this, guys, let me know that you're still here, and also turn on the notification if you haven't done so before. Alright, blessings. Y'all stay safe, walk good. Until next time, thank you for watching.